Hey everyone, welcome to CRJ715. I'm glad you're here, and I want to use these short weekly videos to walk you through what's in each week's folder on Brightspace so that you're not hunting around trying to figure out where things are. Each week, 1 through 7, will cover two chapters from Maxfield textbook in sequence. On Brightspace, week 1 module has three folders: objectives and required readings, lessons, and assignments. Start with objectives. That's the roadmap for the week. You'll see what you need to read from Maxfield and from Galvin and what the assignments are. This week, it's chapter 1 and 2 from Maxfield and chapters 1 and 5 from Galvin. In the lessons folder, you'll find my week 1 video lecture. Watch that after you read the chapters. There's also a research concept video that gives you the full vocabulary of research methods in one shot. Watch it early. You'll thank yourself later when those terms start showing up everywhere. I've also included a short piece of basic versus applied research. Read that. It's 2 minutes and it will shape how you think about your final research proposal from the start. There's also a folder of research articles organized by type: descriptive, relational, causal, qualitative, survey, and evaluation. Don't try to read everything there in 1 week. Just browse it, pick one article that interests you, and read the abstract. Get familiar with what the folder looks like because you'll be coming to this all semester. Now, the assignments folder has week 1 exam and your first discussion board. It also has, for this week, an extra discussion board. Introduce yourself. This is ungraded, but it will help your classmates know more about you. Do this first and then dive into other weekly assignments. The exam has 20 questions, mostly multiple choice, and you get 2 attempts. Take the first attempt seriously, then review what you missed and use the second attempt wisely. Each exam has questions from the two respective Maxfield chapters from the week. For the discussion board, you're given 4 questions in total, 2 from chapter 1 and 2 from chapter 2. You will answer 2 questions only from the 4, choosing one from chapter 1 and one from chapter 2, about 200 words each. This is the same format each week, except for week 4. For chapter 1, both questions ask you to think about how everyday knowledge about crime can mislead us and how science corrects for that. Don't just define the terms, connect them to something real. If you pick question 1, think of an actual belief you held about the criminal justice system and interrogate it. For chapter 2, both questions push you towards the research topic. So if you haven't settled on one yet, now is the time to start thinking. The nomothetic versus ideographic question is asking you to think about scale. Are you studying patterns across many cases or going deep into one? That choice drives everything downstream in your proposal. One more thing. Reminder 1 for the final research proposal, or FRP, is in the module of week 1. Read it. It walks you through the structure of the FRP and gives you 4 suggested topics if you need starting point. The proposal is due week 8, and it's my observation that the students who start early do well. Good luck this week. Let's go.